manok yun eh.
Ay, ano ko yun? Nagpakapal tayo. Hindi pala ito Dati may chicken world din sa Pilipinas eh, no?
Chicken grilled. Ano gagawin nila? Doon
Yung mga sabungan. Tsaka yung
ibang
ano,
chicken grilled yun
yung factory ng Pure Foods.
Excited na ako mag-duck galbi.
Me too. So kung gusto niyo kung itatanong niyo kasi yung duck galbi. In English, duck galbi is chicken that is stir fried. And then
And then, how
we
does
can
it
choose.
taste?
Yeah, it tastes like soy sauce. But if you don't want soy sauce, it tastes like chili pepper.
Doggy.
No.
No?
What? What? Doggy? You eat doggy?
Hindi
Don't
pala.
eat doggy.
Taste like doggy. Iba pala yun. Teach me like doggy.
Teach me how to doggy yun.
To taste like doggy. To taste like, hindi ba yun?
No. Ano to? Wala
Stuff
yung
only.
parking yan, no?
Stuff ka ba?
Stuff only.
Stuff. Go.
Di ba?
Stuff ka nga.
Wait lang. Ingis ko kung may dadaan eh.
Hindi na wide yung ino.
Pwede siya bago i-start yata. I-widen ko.
Mm.
Bye.